So when we look at a rock outcrop, we often find a very chaotic picture that looks to all intents and purposes like puzzle pieces that have been randomly jumbled together, like these light-colored pieces that you can see here. But what often helps us as geologists is if we look at the broader context, and in this case, even just a few feet away, we can see that these light-colored pieces clearly came from these continuous white bands and were broken up and rotated by some process that placed them into this chaotic arrangement down here. So what that allows us to do is to reconstruct these jumbled pieces into the whole big picture that they came from, and tells us that these pieces were originally layered like here. And so that brings up another point, which is when we have complex relationships like this, it allows us to reconstruct the sequence of events in time. For example, in this case, we know that whatever the process was that broke up and jumbled these pieces must have come after the process that formed these layers in the first place, because those layers already had to be there first in order to be broken up. That tells us that this was originally a layered rock.